Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can disconnect device in TalkTalk app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your TalkTalk app by scrolling through your homepage. So once you open the TalkTalk app, you will get options to log in into your account. So the TalkTalk app does not really have any way to disconnect devices. However, you can add a new phone number of a new device, or you can simply log in with another device by the same phone number you had registered your TalkTalk app to, or you can use the email you had previously logged in into your account in a new device. Even you can also connect your Facebook, which is in your other device. So this way you can disconnect it from one device and use it from the another one. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.